Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to add a berm. People use berms in their properties to kind of create visual obstructions. This is my house right here. Let's say over here on this corner that we can barely see, there's a gas station. I don't want to look at that gas station all the time. So I'm going to make the berm, and I'm going to use a tool called split surface. So let's go back here to architecture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose one of the topography lines, like the 770-foot one right here. And I'm going to go into massing and site, and I'm going to click on split surface. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click again in here. Let's see. Okay, that's what I had to do. And then I'm going to actually choose the arc command. I'm going to put this berm in this general area right in here. So I'm going to draw that one there and kind of do that to it. And I'll go out a little less. Whoops. There we go. And down towards here. Good. And then over to here. And good. Oops. Didn't close that all the way. So we'll do that. Okay. Maybe I got to trim this a little bit. Let's see. Trim. Oh, nope, I don't have to. Okay. So now I've got this shape drawn out here, and I'm going to green check mark that. Now, what this does is this takes this zone right here, and it separates it from the rest of the topography here, which is an advantage. So what I want to do is I'm going to click on the inside of this now. And I'm going to actually take and I'm going to change the elevation, whoops, here. So I'm going to click inside of this. There we go. And so I'm going to edit this surface. I'm going to click inside of here. That gets this area active for editing. I'm going to hit the edit surface and I'm going to place points. And I'm going to start putting in a whole bunch of points. But what I want to do is I want to change my elevation here from 770 because I want this berm to be a little taller than the topography in that area. I'm going to make that 773. And now I'll just start clicking in a bunch of points. And let's see. We'll make it so that we can actually have a little more area out here. There we go. So we get a little more surface on the top. Okay, and then we'll green check mark that. Now, if I go back and take a look at this in my 3D view, I can see the berm right here. Now what I'll do is I'll go to site component. Let's see if I've got any trees loaded in here. I do have some trees in here. You can also go over to load family and then go to I think it's plantings is the word you're looking for under load family, but these are good trees here. I got some really tall ones. I don't necessarily want them that tall. My wife likes Japanese maples, so let's put a couple Japanese maples on this thing here on our berm, and I'm going to hit escape, and then we can take a look from up above on our Habitat for Humanity site, and we can see the trees. I can go back to site component and go back to the Japanese maples. I'll put them right back up there and over there. And now I've got all my Japanese maples on, and we'll go to our 3D view. There we go. And there's our 3D view of the house. So if I'm over here at the gas station, Ah, whoops. Let's goof that up. We'll go zip around a couple times here. So now if I'm at the gas station and I'm looking at the house, I can't see that area of the house that's got a lot of windows in it. And the house can't see the gas station either. So that is adding in some topography to the house and putting some trees on it.